Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a case from Supcase for your Galaxy Z Fold 4. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case from Supcase for your Galaxy Z Fold 4. If you haven't seen the previous video, I did a review on the Unicorn Beetle Pro. Now, this is just the Unicorn Beetle case. It does not come with the pen support or the pen holder, and I don't think it has the hinge protection, but we'll check that out and see what type of case you get with the Unicorn Beetle. Now, this case is about $50 cheaper than the Unicorn Beetle Pro 2, so, but it has the same presentation. I love that box design. Shout out to Supcase for actually sending these cases to me for review. I had the box upside down, but here you go. It gives you instructions on how to install it, how to remove the protective film. If you want to replace your strips here, look, you have strips there. Bam. It does come with a belt clip, which is here, look. And that belt clip, you know, it's sturdy. Now, I don't use the belt clip. I probably will never use the belt clip. So this is a two-piece case. It still has the little kickstand in here. So it still has a kickstand, but it is a two-piece case. So it doesn't have like the hinge protection. But it's still like the heavy duty plastic. And then the only thing too on this one, it comes with the already installed screen protector. I'm gonna shout out them, and hopefully one day they give us where it doesn't come with this, because I already have a screen protector on my phone. So I don't need to have a second one on there. If you want to pop it off, you probably can. But let's check this out. Because once you pop this on here, it feels like you're touching plastic, because you are. But, and here's the other case, part of, look at it. I like that soft material, felt material in here. You have some brand in there too. Supcase military drop protection. Love the carbon fiber look there. It gives you the extra grip too. Alright, just make sure you install it correctly, but that is what you get. Look at that. I do like how they have that open, the power button open, but the volume rockers are closed. So you can get to the power button. Let's check out the volume rockers. The volume rockers work great. They're easy to press. But what y'all think about that carbon fiber look? The cutouts at the top line up really good. The cutouts at the bottom line up. This is how it looks with the case open. Now, I do have an extra screen protector on here, so it still works. But you can just tell you're touching plastic. That's the only thing that my biggest complaint is when they have these on here. You can touch plastic, but it does protect your, screen. It does not have the hinge protection on there, but it does have a kickstand. So, all right. So the one thing about the kickstand, you're not easily getting it open, and it's not going to just flop around. So you can watch videos like that if you wanted to. Or you should be able to open it up and watch it this way. I don't know about this way. Yeah, you can do it that way too. So just depending on what angle you want. And one thing I forgot, yes, you get lip action because you already had the screen protector. The camera, look at that camera protection too. So you have that camera protection. The last thing we always check in my video is, can you wireless charge? Just like the Pro, I don't think you'll have a problem. And there you go. You can wireless charge with the case on there. No problem at all. And then the last thing, does it add bulk? Yes, it does. This case does add some bulk to your phone. Makes it bigger in the pocket. But look at the protection. I will have the links in the description if you want to pick this one up instead of the Unicorn Beetle Pro. You can definitely pick this case up. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Force Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.